Good morning, students. How are you? All of you fine? Good. I hope all of you fine. In today's class, we will discuss the new lesson, a sixth lesson, the hot deserts. Okay, the hot deserts. But desert, all of you know, all of us know the desert. Desert is very hot, full of sandy and dry. Okay, so the summer, winters, those days are very hot. There is no vegetation. It is difficult to lead a human being's life. Yes, is it true? Yes. So in the deserts, we will discuss the hot deserts. Hot deserts. In desert, receive 20. What is desert and how can we say it is desert? 25 centimeters below rainfall is recorded. It is desert. Okay, it is desert or less rainfall. అస్సలు వర్షం లేకపోయినా 25 centimeters కన్నా తక్కువ వర్షపాతం ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం డెజర్ట్. ఓకే, డెజర్ట్. How many deserts? Deserts are divided into 3 types of deserts. Okay, it depends upon the climate. Climate, there is no rainfall based on this. Okay, based on this, the temperature and rainfall. Based on these two topics, they divides the deserts are 3 types. Okay, deserts are 3 types. Hot deserts or tropical desert and temperate desert. First, hot desert, temperate desert. Hot deserts, temperate deserts, cold deserts. Hot deserts, temperate deserts and cold deserts. In this class, we will discuss the hot deserts. First, hot deserts. Hot deserts are lies between the 50 degrees to 30 degrees north and south of the equator. Equator ke north and south, both sides 15 degrees to 30 degrees lies between the we found the hot desert. Okay, hold the hot desert. This hot desert, why the air in the equator, near the equator, the earth shines overhead. The earth shines on the equator overhead, along through the overhead the equator. There is a cloudless sky. Sun heats very high. So those are hot deserts. Those are called hot deserts. Hot deserts. Those are hot deserts. Then temperate desert. These temperate deserts are Gobi Desert in Mongolia in Asia continent. Gobi Desert. There are some better, some more and no hot. This is far away the equator and after above the Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. So above, they are far away from the equator. So some better, neither too hot, neither too cold. Some better temperature is there in the temperate zones, the temperate deserts. Temperate desert. This temperate desert is, for example, Gobi deserts in Mongolia. Okay, Mongolia in Asia continent. Next one, cold deserts. Some deserts are cold. So we think deserts are hot, but some deserts are too cold, bitterly cold. For example of the cold desert is Central Asia. The Central Asia place is very cold desert is there in the Central Asia. And in this lesson, the hot desert, we will discuss the topic hot deserts. What are the hot deserts in the world? The hot deserts. First one, the Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert and Kalankari Desert. Sahara Desert and Kalankari Desert. Africa. Okay, ekkadundari Africa. The Great Australian Desert. Great Australian Desert in Australia. And the Atacama Desert, South America. The Mexican Desert, Mexico. Thar Desert, India and Pakistan. These are the hot deserts These are the hot deserts. What are they? The Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, and the Great Australian Desert, Atacama Desert, the Mexican Desert, Thar Desert. Okay, these are the hot deserts in the old. Okay, in the old. In the hot desert, how the climate is in the hot desert? Obviously, hot deserts climate is very hot. Obviously, it is hot. In this the days, whether it is summer, it is very hot, and daytime it is very hot, and night times it's a bit cold. It is too cold. వెంటనే అంటే మార్నింగ్ అంతా డే టైమ్ అంతా సన్లైట్ ఉంది, చాలా హీట్ గా ఉంది. నైట్ క్విక్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ కూల్డ్. ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ క్లైమేట్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఓకే, అండ్ the hot desert extreme climate, and not a moderate climate. It is extreme. It is whether too cold, too hot. So this climate is not suitable for the human beings and some animals also. It is where some difficulty is there. So in the worldwide top 50 highest temperature is recorded. Highest temperature is in the hot zones. Okay, hot zones low highest temperature 50 degrees Celsius. How much? 50 degrees Celsius. And the night time it will be quickly cool down the at the surface, and it is below 10 degrees. Okay, below 10 degrees night temperature is also recorded. It is bitterly cold. 50 degrees it was very hot, and it is very cool. So this is extreme climate is there in the hot deserts. Okay, next the plant life of the hot deserts. Plant life of the hot desert. Whether they as we know that deserts have extreme climate, there is no chance to vegetation. The more suitable, not more suitable for the vegetation. And అక్కడ మన పంట ఏదైనా పండించడానికైనా ఏదైనా ప్లాంట్స్ గ్రో అవడానికైనా అక్కడ ఛాన్సెస్ అనేవి చాలా తక్కువ. ద క్లైమేట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ దట్. But in those extreme climate deserts, some trees are survival with a scarce, with a small little of the water, survival along throughout the years. Okay? In the desert, there is a scarcity of water. Water proper ga dorikadu. Whether it is the oasis or some water bodies is there, those the plants are grown. ఎక్కడైనా మనకు ఓయాసిస్ లాంటి ప్లేసెస్ ఉంటే అదే సరౌండింగ్ ప్లేసెస్ లో సమ్ ట్రీస్ అనేవి మనం we found that some trees in the hot desert region we find the trees rarely. Okay, rarely we found the trees. Those trees are one of the most important trees are baobab tree. This tree has shape a barrel shape, like a bottle shape, bottle లాగా ఇంకా మనం బాటిల్ షేప్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అలా మనకి ఒక బాటిల్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. స్మాల్ స్టెమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, స్మాల్ షేప్స్ లీవ్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి. అండ్ డెజర్ట్స్ సమ్ ట్రీస్ ఆర్ నో లీవ్స్. మనకి లీవ్స్ ఎందుకు ఉంటాయంటే ట్రీస్ కి అవి మన మళ్ళీ వాటర్ ఎక్సెస్ వాటర్ ని బయటకు పంపించేస్తాయి. ఇన్ ద డెజర్ట్ దర్ ఇస్ నో ఛాన్స్ టు ఎక్సెస్ వాటర్. సో సమ్ ట్రీ ఎక్కడ లీవ్స్ వల్ల మళ్ళీ వాటర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోతుందని అదే అక్కడ డెజర్ట్స్ లో ఉండే ట్రీస్ కి అసలు లీవ్స్ చాలా తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. కొన్ని ట్రీస్ కి అసలు దర్ ఇస్ లెస్ లీవ్స్, దేర్ స్టెమ్ ఇస్ దేర్ అండ్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ thorns. So and the difficult situation is there in the desert. This baobab tree is barrel shaped. Hollow ఉంటుంది. the shape ki inside the barrel there is a hollow, అంటే బోలుగా ఉంటుంది లోపలంతా ఖాళీగా. ఆ ఖాళీ ప్లేస్ లో 1000 each tree 1000 లీటర్ వాటర్ ని స్టోర్ చేసుకోగలుగుతుంది. ఓకే, 1000 లీటర్ వాటర్ ని it can be stored the baobab tree. This tree is very important in the hot desert regions. So this is the plant life of the desert, hot desert region. Then next class we discuss the temperate deserts, temperate deserts. Okay, thank you.